Folks, just a quick little video about DekTek Tile. This is a deck about 18 feet wide by 60 feet long that my wife and I built with light gauge steel framing here in Northern California, and we decided we wanted to have a fire pit inset for it. And with the PVC AZEK decking, the fire hazard was certainly something we didn't want to deal with and have deck material melting and such. So we use the DekTek Tile to make this inset. And worked out really well for us. It's holding up really well. Occasionally we get embers and things that pop out of the fire pit, land on the DekTek, but it's none the worse for wear. Stuff has been working out really great for us, and the thickness matches absolutely perfect to the AZEK. So great product, really easy to install. We installed it per the DekTek recommendations with the PL acrylic adhesive, and it's been rock solid. So really happy with it. Thanks to the folks at DekTek for providing it. I don't think there was another solution out there that was going to meet the dimensional requirements and and be as cost effective for doing what we did. So really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.